Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can pin someone as your number one best friend in Snapchat. So to do so, first of all, you need to be in the app library and open Snapchat. And then tap on chat. And now select someone you want as your best friend. So tap on their profile and now tap on this three-dotted button over here and tap on the first option that says pin as your BFF. So if you click on it, then you would have made them your BFF. So guys, that's how you pin someone as your best friend. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and please drop a comment down below. And if you want more videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.